No surprise here. I think there is no surprise when it comes to the overall numbers. The total number is 126.
All right.
88 to 101. I think the story finishes there.
88 to 101. So Himanta Biswa Sarma, and it's a hat trick for the BJP in Assam if these numbers of the exit polls come true.
Breaking news, Navika ji. Gaurav Gogai is probably trailing
In his own
in
constituency.
his own constituency of Jorhat.
Okay, now that's a big one. That's
It's-
a big
it's
one.
not in a big fight. It's
you
not
know,
in a big
JVC, when if these results do not hold, you will take all the blame.
Yeah,
Times
definitely.
Now will take none because as it is, we are not very favorites with some political parties. And
All
if you
political
say,
parties.
with all political parties, that doesn't make us.
I think you can say Mr. Khera is gone with the wind.
No, that's, I don't want
He'll
you
come to
be
Telangana.
gone.
He'll come to
but-
Hyderabad.
but-
He'll come to Hyderabad. We'll give him a shelter.
Sabha Naqvi, probable 88
Yeah,
to 101. You believe this is the
I
way
don't
it's going
think
to
there
be
was
stacked?
much of a fight. I heard, look, there was the most interesting versions that I heard was that there were sections of the old BJP, pre-Himanta, you may have also heard that, who are actually unhappy with him. And that in this election, unless the BJP itself cut the BJP, this was, I'm just sharing anecdotes which analysts put out, and that was one way, because he was, first of all, he's a Brahmin, which is a first, he's not a tribal, he's not a Ahom, all of this was in the wind. But I somehow just felt he was going to make it, and the Congress...
So Sarbananda Sonowal, the original,
Very much more
Ahomia,
gentlemanly.
Won the first time, then Himanta Biswa Sarma
But
consolidating.
just one more thing, let us, even though Sarvananda won, he was made the chief minister, and I remember Himanta's face at that time, because Himanta opened the gateways of the northeast to the Bharatiya Janata Party. They took their time giving him the chief ministership, but he was there. And the other way, so he has a very important role.
Well, let's go across. Let's go across to our panelists joining this broadcast. There is Mr. Kalita joining us from the AIUDF. Also joining us is Kamruzaman Chaudhary of the Congress Party. Mr. Kalita, 88 to 101 to the NDA, 23 to 33 to the Congress Party. That's the way Assam looks at the moment. Do you agree with these results? And do you think the Congress is somewhere or the other losing the plot if the BJP actually gets a hat trick in Assam?
देखिए मैं अंग्रेजी में इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूं, मैं इसलिए हिंदी में
आप हिंदी में बोलिए सर,
चलेगा?
चलेगा, दौड़ेगा।
चलो ठीक है। देखिए जो आपने दिखा है 88 से 101, ये थोड़ा एग्जेजरेट है। 88 तक ठीक है, 85 88 ये हम लोग का भी एक्सपेक्टेशन है। और जहां तक आपने पूछा कांग्रेस के बारे में, इस बार बहुत बढ़िया चांस था। यहां लोगों का गुस्सा था, लोग असंतुष्ट थे, लेकिन बीजेपी बुरा खेल के भी इसीलिए जीत रही है क्योंकि कांग्रेस को खेलना ही भूल गया। इसलिए कांग्रेस यहां जो टीना फैक्टर है, देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव, ये टीना फैक्टर काम कर गई। कांग्रेस के नीचे जो इनका ऑर्गेनाइजिंग जो मैकेनिज्म नेटवर्क टोटली विध्वस्त, टोटली वो नहीं था, नहीं की बराबर है। इसीलिए यहां बहुत बढ़िया एक चांस था कि बीजेपी को यहां से हटाने के लिए लोगों में असंतुष्ट था, लेकिन कांग्रेस बड़ी पार्टी है, वो आगे से जैसे लीड करना चाहिए था उनको लीड करना नहीं आया। एंड ऑफ द डे जो आपका चेयरमैन है कैंपेन कमेटी का रिपुन भूपेन बोरा, वो चला गया। जो मैनिफेस्टो कमेटी का चेयरमैन है प्रद्युत बोडोलो ईस्ट 26 इलेक्शन का, वो भी 11th आवर में